Check out this beautiful 1967 Ford Mustang. It's a GT50 recreation. What a beautiful car. It's been restored. It's got a rebuilt 289. You can hear her, she purrs. Sequential taillights. It's got vintage air, power brakes, all 4 disc brakes. Just a beautiful laser straight car all around. Torque thrust style wheels, all brand new interiors, like new. Look at the center fog lights. Just a really nice car. Fiberglass hood with the scoop. You can hear her running. She runs beautiful, drives beautiful. Again, vintage air conditioning, automatic transmission that was rebuilt. Everything is done. Look at the inside. Excellent condition all around. As you can see, this is an absolutely beautiful 67 Ford Mustang GT350 recreation. Check this out. HollywoodMotorsUSA.com.